pals, Beth is here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very special craft idea for you. So I love collecting little memorable things like plane tickets from trips, Polaroid pictures with friends, greeting cards and even candy wraps. If the candy is of course associated with some sort of special event in my life. I've always put everything in a little box, and one day I realized that I want to have it all on display and look at it anytime I feel upset or just want to bring back some pleasant memories. That's when I came up with the idea of making a memory board. What does it mean? Let's find out. For this craft you will need a pair of scissors, a ruler, a marker, colorful push pins, a long thick string, a wooden board and colorful clothes bags. Firstly, you take your wooden board, a marker and a ruler. Take your ruler and put it close to the edge of the board. This will be the line where you'll put your push pins. Take your marker and put tiny dots in one line. Don't make them too thick. You want your board to look neat. The distance between the dots should be around 5 centimeters. Make sure that you have the same distance between the edge of the board and the last dot in your row. Now do the same with all sides. Next are push pins. You can use all different colors of push pins or just choose one color. You can even paint them if you want to make them a unique color like gold or silver. My push pins are all colorful. What you need to do is to put your push pins into the board. Put them right in the dots that you've left earlier. Well done! The next step is the string. Start horizontally, not vertically. Tie one end of the string to the push pin and then go to the push pin that is the opposite of the first one. Cut the string and twist it all around this push pin. Connect all the opposite push pins with the string this way, and then do the same vertically. And there you have it. Take some clothes bags and attach whatever you want to this board. You can use it in different ways. If you want to remember some information before an important exam, put it here. If you want to always remind yourself of happy memories with friends and loved ones, put some pictures here. Or you can make it an inspiration board and fill it with your dreams. Whatever you do with it will be fun, because you made it with your own hands. Let me know in the comments if you tried this craft. Did you like it? What other DIY ideas do you want to see on my channel? I'll be waiting for your feedback below. See you soon, bye bye!